The 2025 Ford Mustang GT500 promises to be an exciting evolution of its predecessor, the 2020 Ford Shelby GT500, which boasted an impressive 760 horsepower from a supercharged 5.2-liter V8. The new version is expected to deliver over 800 horsepower and might achieve top speeds exceeding 190 making it track-ready yet street-legal. Additionally, design elements such as the Mustang 60th anniversary package and various color options serve to enhance its striking appearance. Please double-check for the latest updates and specifications as they may change.